you should all be sitting quietly. Today we're going to be looking a little more at elaboration when you're writing your paragraphs, because in the paragraphs that you guys have been writing, we haven't been getting much elaboration from you, as much as we would like. So we're going to be looking at two different examples of elaboration in a paragraph, and then looking at what's good about it and like what we can improve. So the first one here, I have two paragraphs. They're on the same topic, but the one has just a little bit of elaboration, which is kind of what we've been seeing in your paragraphs and the papers that you've been writing. And then this is more of what we want you guys to end up with. So if we look at the paragraphs, they both have the same topic sentences and concluding sentences, and they have the same star ideas. Because for this lesson, we're just focusing on elaboration and how you can make your elaboration better. Jace, do you have a question?
Yes. About all that red there, is that like the Pacific?
Yes. That's elaboration. Wherever you see red is the elaboration of the star sentences. And this is what we want you guys to aim for. So in the first paragraph, we have the first star idea, which says, first, you can show respect to your classmates by listening to someone when they are talking to you. The elaboration for that is you need to pay attention. So this is kind of what we've been seeing in your pieces. We've been seeing you have your star idea sentence, and then you write one short sentence that describes your star sentence. What we want you to have is we want you to elaborate more. So we want you to explain what your star idea sentence means. So here it says, you can show respect to your classmates by listening to someone when they are talking to you. In your elaboration, you're going to explain what that may look like and also why it's important. So in this elaboration, the one with more, it says, being a good listener means that you are looking at the person, leaning forward, and not doing something else. So the first part of the elaboration is describing your star idea sentence, describing what that looks like. And then it has, when you are doing other things while someone is talking to you, it may make that person feel like you don't care about what they have to say. This could make the other person upset, and it might not make them want to talk to you anymore. So the second part of that elaboration is explaining why you should be doing what you're doing. You're explaining why it's important. So when you're writing your pieces, you want to have your star idea sentence, then write a little bit of the elaboration explaining that star idea sentence, like maybe what it looks like, or in your fall activities. If you wrote like, first you can go trick-or-treating, you should explain like what trick-or-treating is, like what it looks like, and then why it's something fun that you enjoy. Why do you enjoy it? Why is it something fun that you do in the fall? Why isn't it boring? What makes it interesting? What do you like about it? Jace?
When it says first showing respect to your classmates means listening to someone when you are talking, is that like the star idea of
Yeah. So here I highlighted the different parts the same way that you guys have been highlighting them. So the green is the topic sentence. The yellow highlighted sentence is the star idea sentence. The same thing that you guys have been doing. But the difference is I elaborated more. I explained the star idea sentence, like I explained what it is or what it looks like, and then I explained why it's important. So I have the body paragraph 2. So if we were pretending that we were making an essay on being a respectful student, this is body paragraph 1, which is showing respect to your classmates. And then the second body paragraph would be about showing respect to your teachers. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to go through the star idea sentences. You're just going to do the first one. You're going to do the first star idea sentence. You're going to read it, and then you're going to add some elaboration for it. So on here it says, the topic sentence is, another way you can be a respectful student is by showing respect to your teachers. The star idea sentence, or the first star idea sentence, is, one way you can show respect to your teachers is by paying attention and following along during a lesson. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice adding good elaboration by first writing what paying attention and following along looks like, and then why it's important. So there should be two different pieces of your elaboration in here. You need to describe what it looks like, and then explain why it's important to you and to your teachers. So I want you to do that for the first star idea, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So you can stop that.